Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to talk about filter as well as all function in today's video. Okay, please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding DAX. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report, so I'm going to explain each and every step what I have done here. So before getting the details of the report, let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So I have imported dim customer, dim date, geography, product category, subcategory, sales territory, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact table. So understand relationship, it's very important in Power BI. Now click on model, just collapse these two, try to scroll down. So now we can see that already I have established the relationship between the dimension table and fact table. For example, if I place the mouse over here, we can see that based on this product key column, so I have established the relationship between this dim product and internet sales. Even you can see that what kind of direction it is. It's like one direction to many direction. It means that based on, so the filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Okay, like that I have established the relation to the other table also. We'll try to speak on more on upcoming sessions. For timing, we'll try to understand today's report only. So this is the matrix visual. So in this we have two levels, one is year as well as the region level. Okay, so I'll try to take the snipping. So this is the matrix visual. In this we have year as well as the regions. Okay, each year wise in 2000 these are the regions, in 2002 these are the regions, in 2003 regions, and each region wise in the respective year we have the sales. In 2001 Australia sales, Canada sales, France sales, Germany sales, like that. In 2002 also, what is the Australia sales, what is the Canada sales, like that we have the sales for each year as well as the region wise. So here what I'm doing, I want to find only the Canada sales, so remaining sales I don't want. So in that case, so I have created a measure for this, displaying only the Canada sales in 2001. In 2002 this is the sales, in 2003 this is the sales. But if you want to find only Canada as well as France, more than one country, we can, I have created separately for this. So in this measure I am creating just Canada plus France, remaining sales I am not displaying here, so I'm just keeping it a black. In 2001, in 2002 also I'm just displaying Canada as well as France only. So remaining country sales, remaining region sales I'm not displaying here, I'm just kept as a blank. Okay, so this is the second measure. In third measure I'm just repeating what are the sales for the UK. So in 2000 what is the UK sales? 46,743. So same thing I'm just repeating in end all the regions in 2001. Okay, in 2002 what is the sales for the United Kingdom? This is the sales, so I'm just repeating all the UK sales in 2002 for all the regions. So like that I have created this measure. And the fourth measure is, so I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from the region as well as the year. So I'm just ignoring all the filters, so that is the reason we are calculating total sales amount. Okay, I'm just displaying for all the regions as well as the year. So I'm just ignoring all the filters like year as well as the region. So that is the reason I'm getting total sales amount. This is just displaying all over the places. And finally I'm taking the sales percentage, I'm applying the conditional formatting to display like this. So we'll try to see in the report. So I'm just going to upper level, So this is the year level. Okay, in year level, what is the sales in 2001, 2, 3, 4? In 2001, what is the Canada sales? 2, what is the sales? 3, 4. So Canada plus France sales. This is the UK sales. So total sales, what is the total sales? 18,238, 686, same thing. So based on this percentage total sales by all sales, based on this, so we are getting this percentage. Okay, so when you drill down to further level, this is the year level, but when you drill down to further level, like each year wise region sales, now I will get. So I think already I have explained each and every step, so we'll try to understand what kind of expressions I have written for getting these values and all. Okay, we'll see one by one. So first one is total sales. So let's try to zoom it, we can see that clearly. So for getting the total sales, I have used the calculate sum x. So all sales. So here I am using the calculate sum x and I have used the all. Here I am not specifying any kind of table. It means that what are the filter coming from, whether it is a day dimension or in a sales territory, what are the dimension, it will ignore all kind of filters coming from. So that is the reason we can able to see all total amount sales for all rows. So Canada, France sales. So here I'm just taking, by using filter function, I'm just filtering Canada, France sales. Okay, remaining sales I'm not displaying here. I'm just calculating only Canada, France. So that is the reason each year wise we are getting this sales. So now Canada sales. So instead of taking two our countries, I'm just displaying only the Canada sales each region. So each year wise. So this is the UK sales. So for calculating UK sales, I'm just ignoring only the region, not year filter. So here what is happening, I'm just ignoring filters coming from the region only, not year. So here if you notice here, so I'm just ignoring all the filters coming from in region. So that is the reason we are getting the 46,000 in this year, entire year. But when it comes to in 2002, again it's getting filtered by 120670. It's getting repeated because we are ignoring filters coming from the region, not year wise. So that is the reason we are getting the different values each year wise. Okay, so we'll take the percentage. So total sales by all sales. So by dividing total sales divided by all sales, so we are getting this percentage. So in 2004 we got 51 percentage, in 2003 39 percentage, in 2002 6 percentage, in 2001 2.7 percentage. So for getting this one, I use the conditional formatting. I'll try to show that is also. So go to format. So conditional formatting. So just go to sales percentage. Now you can see that icons, click on advanced control, it's getting open. Now so based on these rules, I am displaying the percentage symbols direction. So if it is 0 to 20 percentage, so show symbol like this. If it is 20 to 40, like this. So based on these rules, it's getting displaying this percentage, so symbol down, up, or so it's kind of color also. So I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for videos. Thank you so much for watching.